The Supreme Court did not decide to review qualified immunity. The Supreme Court has punted. I think actually, in my opinion, it's a good punt because I do think it's more up to the legislature to reform qualified immunity rather than the courts. The court doctrine is well established. It's been ruled on many times. So the Supreme Court's not going to change its tune. So it's back up to Congress, and it's up to the legislative branch to decide ultimately what happens with qualified immunity.
You're right about that. I think that's probably exactly why they didn't rule on it. It was because, as you said, it's well established, and because they know that it's likely that the legislature, that is Congress, will take it up in the near future. They don't want to get in the way of what Congress is doing. They don't want to make a ruling. Their time is valuable. They only rule on so many cases every year, and so to rule on something that may be ruled irrelevant here in the next few weeks or months or year is not a good use of their time as the court. So I agree. That was a good punt on the case of the Supreme Court. They weren't going to overrule it anyway. So what was the point?
But obviously, it does relate to the police reform issue.